Hey there, y'all. Eric, our functional farmhouse, retired master mechanic thoughts. I am helping out a family member do a couple things, and one of them, they had rat wire damage. I've got a new pigtail. I'm taking a break. It's 91 ambient. This car's been cooling off for 2.5 hours and it's still 145, 150 near the block. I've had 32 plus ounces of water and I do not have to eliminate any moisture, so it's hot. I'm taking a little break, and the work itself isn't hard, but like there's these this rubber under the hood is just completely degraded, and this shit is stuck to my skin, and it's everywhere. It's here, anywhere I rest my arm, it's just going in this goo. So when people ask, hey, are you thinking about getting back into this? Absolutely, positively not. I'm gonna be scrubbing past it. It's all the way on my triceps, y'all. This is fucking bullshit. It's hot. I've forgotten. Everything I've been doing on my stuff is at my leisure, where the car's cooled overnight. This is a huge favor I'm doing for someone, and to be going back in a shop doing this shit 12 hours a day, I don't know that there's an amount of money you could pay me. I don't know that that figure exists. So they had a locked up AC compressor. We're replacing this wire harness, and we are having a little pre-summer. It was 103 yesterday, 92 today, and I've got my blue blower going, and it's not helping that much. It's just, I am not, it's not my thing right now. Just because you're good at it, it's just the mess, because I'm gonna have to, I don't have the kind of soap I need for this, and this isn't just oil. I had one spot. I scrubbed this little pinky that I cut through the glove with Dawn for almost a minute to get that little tiny little spot off. So hot work, dirty work, hot dirty work, oftentimes unappreciated, undercompensated, and I'm just chugging my ice water, doing this thing again. This was supposed to be a favor. I had eyeballed this. It's not particularly hard, but what do y'all think? What do you guys think? Are you working full time? You managing? Are you good? Really? I do not miss the field as a profession per se. I'm glad I did what I did. I took away what I took, but doing this kind of bullshit work is not something I care about. It's just not. So there it is, y'all. It is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day for anyone out there, and we will see you on the next one. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think, y'all. Don't mind BMWs, but not when they're at temp. See you on the next one.